Welcome to Steelscape, Rancho, Cucamonga, where automation is our innovation, helping to drive our success. The crane automation project was developed at Rancho, Cucamonga with a people-centered approach. Safety is our number one priority, and the crane automation project allowed us to reduce the risks associated with the operator and crane interactions. Automation allows for a fenced boundary that prevents the operator from coming close to the automated crane. This also reduces the exposure that support staff has with both the cranes and the coils, such as material handling, quality checks, inventory, and inventory management. Speaking of inventory management, the automated crane project allows us to double our inventory space by introducing grabbers, which reduce the required distance between coils through a fully integrated inventory control system. The automation project integrates inventory and scheduling through real-time communication, optimizing both the equipment efficiency and the control over the materials that get to the line. Each coil has a unique identifier, and the crane only delivers the coil that was committed to be produced per the schedule. With automation, we can optimize the entire production process, thus reducing workforce redundancies. Now, our team can focus on process improvements throughout the business. So how does the system work? Well, the crane automation system still depends on our most valuable asset, our people. Cargo has created a customized system that integrates each coil right into our production schedule. Let's look at the technology in more detail. The task begins when the warehouse attendant identifies a coil that is ready to move through the production process. The warehouse attendant logs into the cargo system and navigates to the dashboard where they can select one of 3 automated cranes at Rancho, Cucamonga. The dashboard offers a choice of Bay 1 or Bay B. Let's go to Bay B, home of crane 225. As you can see, each inventory position is displayed on the dashboard. There's a legend that explains the status of each coil. We've selected the blue box. That indicates that the coil is ready for production. We can select more information about each of these coils. Here we see the unique coil ID that is scannable with all the detailed coiled information. It even includes all the history of the movements completed by crane 225 when the crane is in housekeeping mode. This is inventory management, quality, and manufacturing excellence through real-time communication in action. No wonder automation means innovation at Rancho, Cucamonga. Let's take a closer look at what's available to us in coil details. The coil ID is listed, as is the status of the coil. This coil is good and ready to go. It tells you when the coil was created, the width, the outside diameter, the gauge, the weight, and if it's packaged. It tells you the material type. And down here is the history of all movements for this coil. By the way, the metal coating line has a fully automated crane at entry and exit, and the paint line has an automated crane that currently delivers to the entry saddles. Let's return to our warehouse attendant who's scanning in or typing in the unique coil ID. Once the coil has been verified in the dashboard, the coil will follow its schedule. This coil is ready for production on the MCL line. Let's send this coil on its automated journey.